dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The headlights. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has recorded progress in tackling Nigeria's security challenges, says by the presidency. Moving on to the next one, we have New Nigerian People's Party (NNPP) is suffering from negligence of electoral law. But before we proceed with this news, welcome to RI0US Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, feel relaxed, enjoy, and stay connected. The presidency said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu lead administration has made substantial progress on security. Ajuri Ngelale, the special advisor to the president, made the remarks on Sunday during an interview, saying that the high rate of casualties across the country that used to flood the cover pages of national newspaper has now been drastically reduced, saying that the security no longer dominates discourse among Nigerians due to the action of the government. So keeping the country safe is the foundation on which to build investors' confidence. That when you look at the progress made with respect to the national security situation in the country, they thought it's important to note the reason why much of the conversation in the country is looking at things like the economy, and some of them are looking like things like political development. This is really a statement to the fact that the national security situation has evolved to the extent that it's no longer the primary talking point in the country. Unlike before, when you open a newspaper and on the front page, what you are going to be seeing are massive numbers about casualty of people in different parts of the country, from the middle belt to the northeast, to the northwest, to the southeast, and at some point, even the agitation in the southwest. They have come a long way from that. So right now, they are not seeing those numbers. Yes, there are still other places where combat is going on, but it's really about talking what they have inherited to a conclusion rather than being on the back foot dealing with threats that are wreaking havoc on people. The president's spokesman also said that there have been visible improvements on the security situation in the southeast. So they have a lot of progress, and they have looked at the southeast today. They have seen that there is a dramatic change in the narrative in Igbo land with respect to the security situation. They're not saying that Nigeria should clap for them, but what they are really saying that they have made substantial progress, and they are going to ensure that they take that process to the appropriate conclusion so that people can live in peace and do business in peace. And that's how it's supposed to be. Ultimately, that is the foundation on which they'll be able to attract the investments that are aggressively promoting and attracting overseas. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. A coalition of youth under the aegis of Nigerian Youth in Politics slammed the new Nigeria People's Party (NNPP) lead administration in Kano State for their negligence of the electoral law about candidate nomination, saying that the party should blame themselves for their self-inflicted woe rather than seeking every avenue to attack the integrity of the judiciary. The president of the coalition, Comrade Magaji, stated this at a news conference in Abuja, saying that Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf and his party, the NNPP, took for granted a very important aspect of the electoral process, and they must be punished for their negligence. Contrary to the ongoing bastardization of the Nigerian judiciary by some aggrieved person who lost at the tribunal and then the appeal court as a result of non-compliance with the Electoral Act 2022 as amended, they wish to say that the court did not act ultra vires when it held that Engineer Abba Kabir Yusuf was not a member of the new Nigeria Progressive Party. As of that time, the party sponsored him as the governorship candidate in Kano State. So they all agree that the tribunal strengthened democracy by deducting the unsatisfied ballot paper because they neither signed nor stamped by the electoral officers presiding during the poll as stipulated by the law. The Electoral Act 2022 as amended in Article 63 subsection 2 captured it, and Section 177 subsection C of the 1999 Constitution as amended stated that one must be a registered member of the political party and they must be sponsored by the same political party to be qualified to contest for the office of a governor of a state. So this is to show that those who jump from one political party to the other in a bid to secure tickets must also be careful because there's a judicial precedent to that effect. And the case of RI0US is not the first, neither will it be the last. In the case of Senator Hope Uzodinma vs. Wøŕśt, the Supreme Court established presidency on membership of political party and the sponsorship of the candidate. Therefore, believing that blackmailing the judiciary may lead to subversion of justice, that is not true. The Supreme Court is a constitutional court that deals with primarily with points of law. So they wish to warn the political actors, especially those who know the law, but they are trying to bend it because it does not favor them. The judiciary is a sacred institution that must be undermined. Then the coalition equally regretted that the Attorney General of Kano State, who is a lawyer, also joined the bastardization of the image of the justice who delivered judgment on the Kano State governorship appeal. Such action is highly unprofessional, honestly, and that requires immediate sanction by the Nigeria Bar Association to retain the integrity of the legal professions. Also, the negative campaign being championed by the NNPP and Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf of Kano State should be stopped. As the young people they are in politics, they say they will continue to encourage the judiciary not to be intimidated by the sponsored blackmail against them. Moreover, the Supreme Court is their target and they are castigating the appeal court justice to blackmail the justice of the Supreme Court to subvert justice. That democracy has come of age and the judiciary is not a cash and carry as the Attorney General of Kano State portrays. So they demand an immediate apology from the Kano State government and the leadership of the NNPP for going too far in lambasting the judiciary because the judgment did not go in their favor. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you